I know you're watching this video without subscribing. That's why I'm asking you now. Hit that subscribe button and join this journey. Because this channel isn't just about motivation, it's about becoming the strongest version of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually. We are warriors, and every warrior needs a brotherhood. That's what Savage Potential is about, building men who refuse to stay average. Now listen, most men go through life blind, never understanding how women truly think or feel. They chase, they beg, they get hurt, and they don't even realize why. But if you know a woman's weaknesses, not to exploit them, but to understand them, you unlock a new level of strength as a man. You stop being a boy who gets played, and you become a man who leads with wisdom and power. 1. Emotional roller coaster. Women's emotions can change fast. One moment happy, next moment sad. And if you don't understand this, you'll think it's your fault, but it's not. It's simply how emotions work. A strong man doesn't get lost in her storm. He stays calm, like a rock. 2. Validation addiction. Every woman craves attention. Likes, compliments, validation. The weak man becomes her fan. The strong man becomes her leader. Don't be the guy who's always chasing. Be the guy she chases. 3. Fear of being alone. Most women fear being alone. That's why they hold on to men they don't even love, just to avoid loneliness. As a man, never fall for the trap of being her option. Value yourself. If she doesn't truly choose you, walk away. 4. Drama and testing. Women test men through drama. They want to see, will you stay calm or lose control? The weak man argues, the strong man stays grounded. Understand, her test isn't to destroy you, but to measure your strength. 5. Desire for security. Deep down, women crave security, emotional, financial, and physical. They are drawn to men with vision, direction, and strength. If you build yourself, she'll naturally follow. But if you're lost, don't expect her loyalty. 6. Easily influenced by society. Most women are influenced by trends, friends, and society's lies. One day it's Instagram models, next day it's TikTok advice. A strong man doesn't follow trends. He creates his own path. That's why you must lead, not follow. Brother, these are the 6 weaknesses every man should know. But remember, this isn't about looking down on women. It's about protecting yourself, leading with strength, and never losing your purpose. A weak man chases women. A strong man builds himself, and women naturally follow. Which one will you be? The choice is yours.